Very good evening, guys. Let us start with the model solution here of cyclic test 3. The first question was define. Make sure definition should be proper in the textual language. So the first answer is smallest unit of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction is called as an atom. Second is electrovalent bond. The bond formed by complete transfer of one or more electrons from one atom to another atom. Covalent bond, the bond formed by sharing of one or more electrons between two non-metallic atoms. Fourth, distribution of electrons in various shells is called as electronic configuration. Isotopes, atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Alright, let us talk about the match the following. Halogen is iodine, noble gas krypton, alkali metal lithium, alkaline earth metal magnesium, and gases nitrogen. Third question, name or state the following. Horizontal rows in the periodic table known as periods. Modern periodic table. The physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic function of their atomic numbers. Industrial method for the preparation of hydrogen, that is Bosch process. Catalyst used in industrial process of hydrogen is iron oxide or chromic oxide. Method of collection used in hydrogen gas, downward displacement of water. Answer the following, guys. Based on laboratory preparation of hydrogen gas, यहाँ पे सिर्फ keywords दिया हुआ है. You can write in a proper sentence form. Okay, these are the keywords. This should be there in the answer. That is mandatory. Okay. Relevant equation, guys. The way it is shown in the solution, the equation should be written exactly in the same way. If any condition or formula is wrong, the entire equation is wrong. Fine. In the orbital diagram also, all the details mentioned in the diagram should be there. So diagram should be the way it is shown in the solution. True or false, you simply have to write false or true. You are not supposed to rectify the sentence. So the first answer is false. The type of bonding present in the water molecule is electrovalent. Of course, false. It is covalent. Atomic mass of an atom of a given element is the sum of its proton and electrons. False. The electronic configuration of chloride is 2,8,7. Chloride ion का electronic configuration 2,8,8 होता है, guys. So it is false. Reduction is addition of hydrogen to substance. True. Oxidation is also loss of electrons from an atom or ion. True. To gaseous reducing agent, you can write any of this. To liquid oxidizing agent, you can write any of this. To amphoteric metals, you can write any two of this. Compound containing two single covalent bond, it is water. Two single covalent bond बोला है तो water as per our syllabus. A solid electrovalent compound, it can be either sodium chloride or magnesium chloride or calcium oxide. वो भी लिख सकते हो, guys. Orbital diagram should be the way it is shown in the solution or in the textbook. You cannot change the diagram as per your whims and fancies. Give reason. Here the keywords are mentioned, guys. First, noble gases are inert because they have stable electronic configuration, that is all shells are completely filled. Usually atoms are chemically active because they want to attain stable electronic configuration. Only 8 electrons are present in second shell because the capacity of second shell is 8. Periodicity in the properties of elements is observed in the periodic table. It is due to recurrence of similar electronic configuration. The apparatus used in preparation of hydrogen gas should be airtight because hydrogen forms an explosive mixture with air. Alright. Question 10. We have to complete this table. Impurity, arsine and phosphine. It is better to write the names. Washer bottle second consists of lead nitrate to remove H2S, that is PbNO3 twice. Washer bottle 3, it consists of KOH solution, and U-tube consists of CaCl2 which removes moisture. Again, next is name 2 alkali metals. You can write any: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, कोई भी चलेगा यहाँ पर. 2 elements from group 17, you can write any of this, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. A gas in period 2 that is not inert. It can be either nitrogen or oxygen or fluorine, any one of this. The group that contains strong reducing agent, it is group 1A or 1. Group that contains monoatomic gases. Monoatomic gases are all noble gases, guys. They are monoatomic, that is group 18. Fine. That's it, guys. We are done with the model solution. All the best, guys. Thank you so much.